Maydos PU Wood Paint. From bare wood to matte clear finish. Prepare spray gun, scale, 300 grit paper, and protective gear. Sand a long grain with 320 grit. Blow and wipe clean. Mix clear primer, hardener, thinner, 1 to 0.5 to 0.6 ratio. Filter the clear primer before spraying. Apply the first clear primer coat with overlapping passes. Lightly sand again with 300 grit paper. Apply the second clear primer coat. Let it dry. Then sand again, 320 grit, for a smooth base. Spray pre-mixed surface toning coat to even wood color. Mix matte clear top coat, hardener, thinner, 1 to 0.5 to 0.6, then filter. Apply the matte clear top coat evenly. Then a refined matte clear finish. Smooth matte finish, clear natural wood grain. Gloss level remains consistent.